Hi guys, and in front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select. Let me just go back to main settings panel. So let's open the settings, then find and select apps right here. Go to special app access, and here you will notice install unknown apps. Click to open, and now you can smoothly manage external sources. Just pick the one that you wish to give this permission to and tap on allow from the source. And that's it. So this is how you can allow unknown sources. Just choose the source that you wish to install another app from and click on the switcher to activate it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.